how to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot power saving mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on connections. After that, we scroll down, then tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. At the top here, tap on mobile hotspot, tap on the left hand side panel, then scroll down and tap on band, then tap on advanced to expand out for more options. From here, we scroll down and tap on power saving, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here it said that reduce battery usage by analyzing your mobile hotspot's traffic. This may affect performance of features such as online gaming or video streaming. After that, tap on saved, then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.